There's been a ton of action camera news recently. Insta360 just released the Go 3 about a month ago. A few days ago, DJI released the Osmo Action 4 less than a year after releasing the Osmo Action 3. And the day after that, there's been leaks and rumors about the GoPro Hero 12. The major upgrade in the Osmo Action 4 is the 1/1.3 inch sensor, which is bigger than the 1/1.9 sensor in the GoPro Hero 11. But if the rumors and leaks are true, the Osmo Action 4 is not going to be the top dog for very long. This leaked photo indicates that the GoPro Hero 12 is going to have a 1-inch sensor, which would be a massive improvement. With the 1-inch sensor, we'd be able to get quality images with the GoPro in places we just haven't been able to do it in the past. So indoors, dusk, dawn, and the low light stabilization would also improve. The big question is, how reliable are these images? It was leaked on an X account, aka Twitter account, that doesn't have a history of tech leaks, but a 1-inch sensor does appear to be in the realm of possibility. The Insta360 RS1 has a 1-inch sensor. On this channel, I share all the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos, so make sure to like and subscribe to learn how to get the most out of your camera. The next image indicates that the rear screen will be larger and the bezel will be thinner. A large rear touchscreen would be nice. Navigating the menu can be frustrating because there is a lot of information on that tiny screen. If you look at the display, it shows that ultra slow motion will be possible at 4K 240 frames per second. Currently, at 240 frames per second, the max resolution is 2.7K. There are also rumors that the Hero 12 will shoot in 8K 60 frames per second, but I believe that is unlikely. That will put a big demand on the camera, it would affect the battery life, and there would be overheating issues. I'm really excited about the potential of a 1-inch sensor in the GoPro, but we'll have to wait and see. But most likely we're not gonna have to wait all that long. Typically a GoPro is released in mid-September, so that's just a little over a month away. I bet more leaks will be released the closer we get to September, and I will share them here. To see the best low light settings for the GoPro Hero 11, check out this video.